Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 20 reg Kia Niro hybrid, diamond cut alloy wheels, privacy glass, rear parking sensors, rear camera, front parking sensors as well. Leather heated seats, side airbags. There's your heated seat buttons there. Locking wheel nuts here, and your instruction manuals. Eco hybrid. Isofix rear seats. 4 electric windows. Set of mats there, we're obviously going to leave in the vehicle. Got a big boot, that's your inflation kit under there. Four electric windows, electric folding mirrors, auto electric folding mirrors as well. Electronic adjustable driver's seat. Vehicle's done 13,600 miles. Automatic. There's a USB here for charging and a USB for data. A 12-volt power outlet as well. Wireless phone charging, as you can see there. Reversing camera, as you can see. Sat nav. Obviously makes it big, cancel. Your map, you can go back to the home, which is this. It'll give you your audio here. This is apps and that. When you go to here, you have Android Auto, Apple Carplay. Different settings there basically. Dual climate control is auto, sync. Pocket here with a USB as well there. Nice pocket to store your phone or whatever in. Heated seats, heated steering wheel as well. This button here changes this menu here. You can have what you want on there really. So you've got different modes. I think of your hybrid thingy. So many different modes you can have up here. Weather information here now, you can see. Telephone button, Bluetooth.
Please say a command.
Voice activation. Cancel that.
Sorry, please.
Exit that. Back to the menu. Rear camera, you can see the front and rear parking sensors there. Sunglasses case. It has a self-tinting mirror. Basically this will tint as the cars come up behind are blinding you with the lights. It has illuminated vanity mirrors both sides. Quite a nice little feature. Height adjustable steering wheel as well. Get any problems or anything you're not sure, please get in touch, and we will hopefully be able to answer your questions. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to call.